unbox my first order from the Fidget Cove with me. So in here I got lots of goodies. I got this squishy Pikachu, which I really wanted. The squishy Orbeez Devil to add to my Halloween collection. The squishy brain. This is my favourite texture. I think it's shaving foam filled that I like. Squishy Sheba, Orbeez filled.
I did it.
Good girl. This is a light up moon, but I didn't bang it hard enough, but I did get it flashing afterwards. It flashes lots of colours, and I also got this little free Halloween scratch art, which my daughter's currently doing. So yes, such a great first order. Go check them out.